Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to convert two string variables into a dictionary. So let's start the tutorial. The command is Python, my file name.py, click enter. And notice here we got the output, the final output, the string 1, which is this one, Charan, James, Peter and Rajesh, and string 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. I have converted these both strings into keys and values, which is a dictionary. See?
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is the Python-tutorials. And here the Python-tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I will add one new Python file called convert strings to dictionary.py. And here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is convert two string variables into a dictionary. So first we require one string. The first string is between double quotes. I am adding Charan, James, Peter and Rajesh. And the string 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you notice here, I have given two strings because in the dictionary we have keys and values. The string 1 is a key and string 2 is values for this example. After that, I am declaring one dictionary here, empty dictionary. Now the next step, I am adding one variable keys is equals to string 1. In the string 1, I am split the string with comma. Wherever the comma is there in the string 1, I want to split that string. Then values also same thing. For string 2, I am using split method with comma. Wherever the comma in the string 2, I want to separate that string. Then for loop for x in range length of keys, column, double quotes, colon. Then what I'll do is dictionary is equals to between square brackets dictionary, between square brackets I am adding keys, x is equals to values, which is x. This variable I am adding. After that, I am printing x. That's it. Sorry, dictionary. We need to print dictionary. This is the dictionary now. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file. Save all. What I'll do is print the string 1 is equals to. So we'll get one idea. What are the string 1 and what are the string 2? The string 2 is equals to str2. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application. py convert strings to dictionary.py, my file name.py, enter. And notice here we got the string 1 is this one we got in this pattern. The problem is the for loop we need to indent. Because of the indent we are getting this problem. Now let's save this file. Now we'll check the final output of our application. Let's clear. The command is Python, my file name.py, click enter. And notice here we got the output, the final output, the string 1 which is this one, Charan, James, Peter and Rajesh, and string 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. I have converted these both strings into keys and values, which is a dictionary. See? That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to convert two strings into a dictionary. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.